In my opinion, there really isn't a perfect season to pick to install siding. We work year-round here in Kansas City, and as many people know, we have significant seasonal swings that we see, whether it's spring, summer, or fall, even rolling into winter. The advantages that we see with that is it really allows us to work year-round. You've got pros and you've got cons of installing siding, whether it's spring or whether it's summer. There's things that we take into consideration. There's different things that we have to do and we have to accommodate for as the seasons change. And as an expert in installing James Hardie fiber cement siding, we take those things into consideration, on a seasonal basis. So throughout the summer months, there's things that we have to take into consideration that we don't in the winter, and vice versa. So it is our responsibility as an elite preferred Hardie installer to make sure that not only we're installing it to manufacturer's specifications, but that we're taking into consideration the elements in which we are installing the product. Our number one priority is to make sure that we do it correctly no matter the season. If you're looking for the perfect conditions here in Kansas City to get your siding installed, I would say spring and fall are probably going to be the most welcoming in terms of the elements that the guys are having to work in. Obviously, during the summer months, what we see is warmer temperatures, and of course, that makes things a little bit more difficult, as well as in the winter. We've got to take extra precautions as we install siding in those months. But what I will say is that when you know that you need siding, that is the best time to install siding.